Good morning. So it is like super early today, this Friday, because we have to go up to fix something on the boat that like the under aluminum part last week started curling under when we were going, so now we have to go and remove that. So we have to go out there extra early to be able to do that, and a board off the trailer is like loose, so we're gonna fix that as well while we are just fixing stuff. So yeah, but he's being a pain in my ass and insisting we take this damn bike this week. So I don't know how we're gonna fit everything in it, the truck, but you know, he thinks that we're gonna be able to, so whatever, we'll see. But so yeah, that is what we're doing right now. Well, he's loading the bike and all of our clothes and stuff like that, and then yeah, we're gonna head out and do all that fun stuff. So yeah, here we go. Honestly, don't know how he did it, but he got it all in. He must really want to take this damn bike. What are you doing, weirdo?
Jeep locked?
Yes. Jeep's locked. Okay, here we go. 7:35. We're on the road. Here we go. So, like I was saying, the boat came like I don't know if you'd call it undone, but there's like a protective layer up and it kind of came down, you know? So we gotta rip that off. This board broke. Well, it fell off of this, so we had to break it and put that there, which it's almost not there anymore, so that's good. We're at Lowe's. Gotta get some wood. And we gotta get what? Clippers? No, we got a drill.
And a drill bit.
And a drill bit.
Screws.
Some geez, really?
Yeah.
Okay, I honestly didn't think that it was. Oh yeah, I guess I do. Okay, well, here we go. What are you doing?
That's where them people are working on the right.
10 inch washers.
Washers? How much is that? A half inch?
3/8.
Right here. 10 pieces. Need 2 of those?
You give me a bag?
Yeah. Let me write it down.
Yeah, please.
What's the number?
59075.
Return here for you. Nothing wrong with it.
How many you got?
16.
Okay. Yep. Anybody check this?
Okay.
Oh, it's popping out. Just wanted to let you know what was going on. Appreciate it.
And what's this?
Got 'em.
Okay. Now you need a drill.
Alright, now I need a drill bit at this 3/8.
Well, we finally finished the boat and the trailer. And it is, what time is it?
140.
It's 1:40, and we got here at 9 o'clock, no, 9:30 this morning. So, it's been a long day. We ate some Subway, and now we're going to get on the boat.
Yeah.
I'm ready for the boat. I think they are too. Bronx is being so good today. Except for you being a little chef. So yeah, now we're on our way to the boat. Well, Dustin showed up and brought his bike. So now we got 2 bikes here. Well, Dustin's is over there. I don't really. I'm so tired. So yeah, I'm sitting in front of the air conditioner, so my hair is blowing kind of crazy. But we are going to, I guess, get ready and go eat and ride. I really just care about eating, and I'm tired. So yeah. But yeah, that is the plan so far, and I don't know, I'm just kind of going flow tonight. We're running, see, I can't even talk. We're running on 3 hours sleep right now. And it's like 7 o'clock, I think. So I'm gonna hurry up and get ready and go eat.
I'll be able to keep up with you. And...
Dustin showed up.
Huh?
I said Dustin showed up.
Bag. I gotta put something.
In that bag?
Yep.
So honestly, I haven't vlogged at all today, but we had, what, 4 people come out? Well, 5, I guess, including Dustin. Come out on the boat today. They left.
You had 7 of us.
So there was 7, yeah. Almost maxed out on the boat.
Oh, we were definitely max weight, but still, there's a weight limit.
Oh.
It's only like 1,068 pounds.
I guess we're gonna go eat, and we're gonna ride the bikes. So.
Not
Yeah,
really.
we're gonna go eat. That's all I care about, really, honestly, is eating food. So. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I can smell the cookie dough.
Oh, yeah, that's good right there.
What? Good morning, it's Sunday. I really couldn't vlog yesterday. There was just a bunch of us. Hold on. Yeah, I really couldn't vlog yesterday. There was a bunch of people on the boat, and I just didn't want to take the chance of getting my camera wet. So, which is why I need to buy a GoPro. But yeah, so we also went riding last night, bikes. So it's kind of hard to. What the heck is happening here? So anyways, it's hard to film while I'm on the back of a bike, so, but we're gonna go out today, and yeah, so I'll try to vlog a little more today, but we're packing all of our stuff right now from the hotel, and then we're gonna go to the boat. Come here, stay right here, stay.
Boys.
Stay. Yeah. The lake is a little busy today. No parking spots really, so that's cool. But yeah, let's do this. we're going to throw out the lily pad and we're gonna chill out today because it's Sunday. Sunday, Monday. So we're just gonna relax. And yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna give you this shit show of putting on a life jacket on a dog. That was ridiculous.
Okay. What? Right. I love this boat. Yeah. Okay, so now we are going to go get the trailer and then we're going to load up the boat and then we're going to head out. Well, we're going to drop the boat off back at the storage unit. And then we're going to head for home. Boys are tired. There's another one that laid down. So, it's only, what time is it?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock, so, get home and make some dinner. I don't know what, we gotta go to Walmart, and then just relax. It's Sunday.
Can't wait.
Yeah. We just ate Oreo, and I'm so stuffed.
Yeah, I am too.
I got to get some food for work, and then we get to come home and unload all of our crap. Cause
this truck was spotless clean as of yesterday.
it's such a blur.
A few days ago. It was super clean, nothing in it. Watch, everything comes out, it's gonna be clean again.
Okay, so we'll see you at Walmart. Oh, and I finally got my Hopsulator in from Brewmate. Let's see if I can open this. It's cute. I like it. It's for my Slim Ultra cans. That's the only thing I drink, Ultra. So, yeah. Pretty excited. There's different sizes for like different beers. Like they have bottle ones. They have some for aluminum cans. Or not cans. Well, I guess, yeah. But aluminum bottles. I got mine for Ultra. Because that's the only thing I drink. Yeah. Now we're at Walmart. Can't wait for that. Oh, I also got some new Hey Dudes. My first pair. Oh, he got some too.
New dude goofing.
My first pair. Coming.
Alright, we got our groceries. She got her groceries. She can eat at work today, or this week.
Now we have to walk a 3 mile to the damn car.
legs hurting.
Okay. My hand's down. My hand's in there. We literally just finished pulling everything in and we forgot the cage. But look at this. Oh, literally just walked in. So now he's out there getting the cage. Like, if we would have been 2 minutes later, no. All of our stuff would have been soaked. All of our luggage, everything. Dang. Ooh, now it's super muggy. We're finally home. We're finally home, handsome man. Oh, yeah. My hair is a mess still. But, yeah, we're finally home. Now we're just going to relax and just literally just relax because that's all we got to do. Yeah. So, thanks for watching this vlog, and next weekend will be the 4th of July, so it's going to be a pretty good weekend, and we're going to have a good vlog after that too. I'm actually going to use a GoPro. If I haven't bought one, I'll use Tucker's. But, yeah, we're still kind of like trying to figure out what we're going to do. So, yeah, I'm going to try to get this video uploaded this week so that then the next week after, like right after the 4th, I can hopefully get that video up. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah. So.
Start that fucker.
So we just ate,
Del Rio. We just ate Del Rio. We just ate Del Rio.
Stop!
Don't say so.
Oh, is that what you were saying?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So. We just ate Del Rio.
We just ate Del Rio.
I can't.
Look
Okay.
how much darker I look than you.
That's because you're wearing blue.
It's because I'm dark.
Now we gotta go to Walmart because he doesn't have food for this week, so.
That's you. Break check. Gotcha.
Don't. So we have to get Walmart food and do that.
It's time for bed. We'll see you guys on the next one.